Hey guys, so we are back. So guys, here we are with the unboxing of this thing, Insta360. I just opened the box and this is what you see, all the components they mention on the top of the box. A carrying case, a battery, I believe it's a charging. I need to see what's inside here. And then of course we have got this thing, manual. This is invisible stick, one of my favorite, because once you do hold the Insta with this stick and you are doing your selfies, the good thing about this stick is that it will not be captured in your videos, and it feels like your hand is there but the stick is not there. That's the magic about this stick. And let's see what we have inside. Hey guys, so we are back again. So we just open it now. So this is the main item, the main camera, of course, with the lens cap on, charging case, I believe. Yeah, it's written here, utility fast charging case, I believe, with the batteries, and lens caps or protection. This is, I believe, is the extra battery stick I showed you before, and then so many manuals inside it, I believe, in so many languages. But overall, that's the view, and let's see how it goes. And we forgot to mention another thing. It was hidden here in this box. I believe it's just a cloth, cleaning cloth, and then a simple carrying case or protection case for the camera. Yes, that's it.